So this One Touch Black & Decker coffee grinder is such a huge hit in this house. It is so simple because one press of the button, and as long as this lid is securely locked on, that's the good thing. These blades will not move unless the lid is securely on this piece. And then you simply push the buttons, and in about, I'd say, 10 to 15 seconds, a lot of times it'll do the trick. So let me just show you how easy it is to use. You just take this lid off. Here you can see inside. And I'll just tuck in some beans. Oh, they smell so good. And we'll just put that lid back on. You can see the whole bean in there. And it's just amazing. Oh, it smells so good.